Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of CS Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today I'm making an Italian classic, specifically from the Roman area, and I am making spaghetti alla amatriciana. Now I'm sorry if I butchered that, amatriciana, say it with me. It's a bit of a mouthful, and it's also super tasty. It's one of my favorite dishes to make. In a simplistic sense, it is just 4 ingredients. You've got San Marzano tomatoes, you've got guanciale, you've got red pepper flakes, and of course, your pecorino cheese. So today I had to modify a bit. I do not have guanciale, don't have access to it in my local store. So I'm using bacon. I mean, if you have pancetta, it's even better. And I'm using fresh pasta here, which I'm making from scratch, but you can also just use dried. Do it whatever you want, however you want. It's a great weeknight meal to add to your repertoire. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and get started. We've got our ingredients here. I have some bacon. Of course, if you have guanciale, use that. We have 28 ounces of San Marzano tomatoes, pecorino cheese, dried red pepper flakes, a little splash of white wine, freshly ground black pepper, and some extra virgin olive oil. We're going to begin by slicing and just chopping up our bacon. I have about 4 to 5 strips of bacon there. I'm going to empty out my can of San Marzano tomatoes, and I'm going to crush it with my hands. You want to feel all the tomato juices just exploding in your hands. That's exactly what you want. We're going to heat a little bit of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons, in a skillet over medium heat, and then add in your bacon. We're going to allow that to crisp up, and also add a pinch, that's a little bit more than a pinch, of dried red pepper flakes and freshly ground black pepper. Once the bacon is crisped, we're going to go ahead and add a splash of white wine. It's a dry white wine, and we're just going to let that evaporate and cook off. Next, add in your crushed San Marzano tomatoes, and allow that to come to a boil and then lower to a simmer. We're going to let that reduce, and in the meantime, while that's happening, we're going to grate our pecorino cheese like so. Now, you see the sauce has reduced here quite a bit. This is after about half an hour. We're now going to go ahead and start cooking our pasta. I'm using fresh, a mix of whole wheat spaghetti there, but use dried if you want to. And we are going to go ahead and add about 1 cup of that starchy pasta water over to the sauce, and that's to help the pasta coat and stick to it. Drain the pasta, don't rinse it. We're going to add that to our sauce and just toss it with some tongs, or if you need help like me, I used a bit of a wooden spoon to help me. And we're going to lastly add in and fold in that cheese to make sure it's all mixed up there. That was 1 cup of cheese. Enjoy! If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you everyone next week. Bye!